Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your mid-October reading and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is the general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So you have Death and King of Swords over here. So I'm seeing that, when you start feeling that you have to take some decisions from your mind, that is what I'm seeing over here. Some kind of an ending I can see. And yeah, let's see what else do we have. So these two cards popped up. Okay, so what is there for my Capricorns in the middle of October, please? Angel, spirits and guides. Okay, we have Devil as well over here. Three of Pentacles. So a lot of work going on. I'm seeing you are being busy. Mr. or Miss Busy Bee over here. Okay, so let's see. One more shuffle, please. At the back of the deck we have the Fool and the Justice over here, you and your person. So I'm really getting that it's like you are really ready for some kind of a new beginning. I'm not seeing with this person, but it is more about your life. Okay, it's more about your new beginning, your beginning of a new life, a new beginning of a new life, however you want it to be. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm seeing Capricorns that you are really in a stage. See, because this is what your energy, so this is at the back of the deck, that is the energy, that is your inner energy. What do you actually want? So you want some kind of a new beginning, you want to start fresh, you want to start a whole new life. That is what you want right now. Your person I'm seeing over here, they are still in a thinking mode. They don't have a left or a right, they don't have yes or no, they are still thinking, they are still searching, they're still analyzing what to do, what not to, trying to balance the energies. Okay, your person is actually doing that because it's like the Lovers I'm seeing, they have decisions to take between you and them. They haven't taken any decision yet. You at this point, since you are the one who has always been, you were afraid, you were like somebody has caught you. So with the Capricorns, it's always like, you are always the masters of your own life. You rule your life. You don't let anyone to rule your life or you, or to command you the way they want you to be. That is what was happening with you. Okay, so when you felt that energy, when you felt that kind of bad energy, that what is happening with my life, I am not here, you are always a free bird. And when you were feeling like this with the Eight of Swords and the Nine of Swords, you were feeling sad, you were feeling that somebody tried to try to put you in a cage. When that kind of a thing happens, you actually want to be free at that point. It's like it's the end. Okay, so you have actually, what I'm seeing over here, the best line for you, you are actually, when you put your resignation in your pocket, you just walk around the world putting the resignation in your pocket, because you are ready to resign, you are ready to finish the chapter. That is what you are doing. You are ready to finish this process, you are ready to finish the chapter with this person. But I'm seeing that your person is not ready. Okay, your person is still thinking, because they have a lot of decisions to make. Your person is not I would say that they are not in the state of taking a decision. They do not want though they are showing that they are on the top of the world, they do not want you. They might make you feel that with, see, like you are the 8 of swords over here and they are the 6 of wands over here. So I'm seeing that they might try to show you that they are on the limelight. People are loving him or her, your person, and they have so much of strength. No matter how much they make you feel from outside, from inside they have a lot of businesses to handle. They do not know, at least from inside. From outside you are feeling that I am in a cage. At least from inside you are ready for this new beginning. That is a really good point over here for you, Capricorns. I'm seeing no matter how much people or areas or whatever situations you are dealing with, no matter how much they make you feel bad, okay, from outside you might be feeling that you are in a state where you cannot do anything, you cannot go anywhere, but from inside you are ready for this new beginning. From inside you are positive, and that is the beautiful thing over here. The outcome is the Star and the King of Swords. See, the outcome is actually reversing now. So I am seeing that after some time, when things will end, because you are taking a decision, you have ended this process, you are ready for this ending. So when you are ready for the ending, a new beginning starts to come. And with the Star over here, it's like your dreams coming true, your wishes getting fulfilled, your hopes and whatever you have thought about your life, whatever you are praying from God, that is what you are manifesting it, and that is actually coming towards you. That is what I'm getting with the Star over here. And your person is like, they have to take a decision. That is what, and they are taking that decision. With the King of Swords over here, they are taking this decision. They are ready to just say, okay, whatever you want, you can have it. Okay, so that is what they are saying. Right now the advice for you, Capricorns, is 5 of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. This is your energy, Queen of Pentacles, Capricorns. So that is what the universe also wants you to be right now. Okay, with the 5 of Cups, universe wants you to just end this process. Like, do not go in that sad state, do not go in that depression mode, do not regret anything in your life. That is what the universe wants. Okay, so you might be regretting some kind of decisions you might have made. You might be feeling that I shouldn't have done this, I shouldn't have done that. You might be feeling that way, but the universe is telling you not to feel that way. You are the owner of your own life, you are the master of everything. So try to learn the process and try to be yourself. Such a beautiful card. See, Queen of Swords. So this is how the universe actually wants you to be. Okay, what else do we have for my Capricorns? Page of Pentacles. See, a new beginning with something new. If you're thinking to start a new work or start something new, as a going back to school or learning something new, that is a really beautiful time that you are moving away from all those problems, and you are working on yourself, and you are learning, you are becoming, you are gaining knowledge from anywhere you want, a school or some kind of craft. See, the 8 of Wands, it's a yes from the universe that if you are ready for that thing, just go on. Okay, do not wait now, just move on into something, anything creative. Learn something new, go into creative, go into some kind of craft, singing, dancing, whatsoever, a new hobby. Okay, so just go towards it. Okay, that is what the universe actually wants. Queen of Wands, wow. So see, such a beautiful creative card. It's a very colorful card as well. So this is something creation. Okay, learn to make candles if you want to learn, because I see candles right now. So okay, so that is all from my side, Capricorns. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.